Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. Today is very important podcast, and we have some friends from Kyrgyzstan. They are doing drop shipping from 2016, and they have extensive experience in drop shipping on Amazon. So we are going to discuss the latest strategies about Amazon, about how to do the drop shipping on Amazon, how was their experience, how was their journey on the Amazon drop shipping. So first of all, let me introduce. I have Dastan and Ulan. They are partners and they are doing the drop shipping from 2016. So hi Ulan, how are you? Hi, hi Dastan.
Hello, Usman.
Hi.
Hello,
Thank
hello.
you.
Thank you for have on the podcast for the Brakley community. So, can you briefly introduce one by one about your journey, about the brief introduction about yourself, that what you do when you have started, something about yourself one by one. First of all, Dastan, can you please?
Yeah, sure. So, actually, our team started our work since 2016. So we started with dropshipping, and lately we added more strategies to our work. So they are wholesale, online arbitrage, and that stuff.
Okay.
And right now, we are also trying to conquer the private label strategy as well.
Very good, very good. Okay.
Yeah, and what we came to so far is that we developed our own web service for Amazon sellers,
Okay, perfect.
and that the idea has come because since we are doing drop shipping by ourselves, so we faced some problems there
Okay.
with research, with searching for products, and
Okay.
we developed our own app to solve this problem.
Okay. So, Ulan, can you please introduce yourself? That briefly introduce about yourself, about your journey for the Amazon selling.
Thank you very much, Usman. Yeah, we sell on Amazon from 2016, and I'm the co-founder of our company, and we have 30, uh, 30
Mhm.
persons in our company.
Okay.
And last year, you know that all dropshippers, all sellers who sells their products using fulfillment by merchant have have problems with code of
Mhm.
conduct. Yes,
Okay.
and a lot of accounts and sellers were banned by Amazon, and
Mhm.
that's why we started to think about future of drop shipping. How can we start and continue drop shipping strategy, and we created maybe a new strategy for us, but uh, uh, new strategy using prep centers, and that's
Mhm.
why we created our service to find out of stock products.
Okay, fine. So, when Amazon have suspended a lot of accounts last year, so how you what are your steps that how you deal with these suspensions? So, have you done have you changed the model because many have transferred to the two-step drop shipping, that is using the warehouse, or they started using the trade accounts like the physical suppliers. So what was your strategy and what strategies that you are using right now?
Oh, yes,
So
thank you very much for the question. Yes, we analyzed why we were banned
Mhm.
by Amazon, and we understood that because of tracking numbers. Yes, we used a lot of tracking numbers from special sites
Okay.
who which uh, give us tracking numbers, and that's why we started to think about how can we create your own tracking numbers, and we decided to use prep centers uh, to not to ban our accounts. Yes,
Okay.
Dastan.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, so
Yeah, Dastan.
these prep centers, they usually like charge from $5 to $8 for processing one item,
Okay.
and that's why we need a good margin for this.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's why we started to make the trade with out of stock products,
Okay, okay. So actually they have focused on the out of stock products because they think that when we sell the out of stock items or not available items, what is going to be that the warehouses are charging high, so they can compensate the margins. So, like you have the team now, you are managing the accounts now. So what is the now, process now? Like the drop shipping now is safe. Like you think that there is no issues right now with your strategies that you are using by warehouse and selling the out of stock items?
Yeah, we analyzed and we decided to sell our products only using prep centers because we think in 5 years how to work next 5 years, because yes, we can work without prep centers and we can have more margin, more profit now, but tomorrow in 2 years we can't we will have all our accounts were banned by Amazon, and that's why we think about it. And um, what is the process of this strategy? You buy from your suppliers and to send these products to your prep centers, but prep centers charge $5 or $7 total cost, their work, label to sending label, yes,
Okay.
and all this work is cost approximately $5 or $7, and that's why you need to find out of stock products, because you can sell products or listings where there are a lot of competitors, because they can you cannot compete with these sellers, yes,
Okay.
because you need to have margin more than $6 or $7, yes, and you can sell with this profit only in out of stock products or products with high price products, yes, and that's why we find and work with only out of stock products. After that, prep center see what address they should send, and they send all these products to your customers. And in our opinion, this strategy is legal, and this strategy will work in 5-10 years, because you have legal tracking numbers, you have legal
Exactly.
business. Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. You are right. So, Dasan, can you tell me about about the software that you have developed? Can you introduce the software? What's the name of that, and briefly introduce about the audience?
Yeah, sure. I can present my screen to
Okay.
represent our web service. Give me a second.
Okay.
So do you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see. I can see. Okay.
Yeah, great. So our web service Ziplook, actually, it's a very innovative service for Amazon sellers, because
Okay.
it generates it collects the data automatically and
Okay.
gives the analysis for the products you are searching for.
Okay.
Just a second. So we already talked about how to do dropshipping on Amazon in 2023. It's
Okay.
using the prep centers, so we think that the future is for this strategy.
Okay.
And well, many Amazon sellers started from the beginners and until the experienced ones. So it's actually a very hard process to search for good products to resell on Amazon. And every seller has to analyze more than 100 products a day to find a really good and profitable item.
Okay. Okay.
And
Please carry. Okay.
this problem pushed us to create this very simple and effective tool
Okay.
to find a product that can give you a good revenue.
Okay.
And one more goal is to save your time. So this tool is effective because it generates a very long list of analysis um, for many listings in one time, so you can save up your time to a very much amount,
Okay.
and all you need.
How, like you have mentioned here that Amazon don't allow us to sell any product. So how this tool will be helping us to find the right product? Is the tool helping us?
Yeah, so there are
Yeah,
many cases when you meet some brands that you think that this brand is closed and you cannot sell any item of it, but
Okay.
actually when you scan this brand with Ziploc, you can find out that there are actually very like many listings that you can sell from these closed brands.
Okay.
yeah, you can spend a lot of time to find product, to find listing with good criteria, no competitors, and you can find supplier for this product. But after that, you understand that you cannot add this listing to your account, and
Okay.
it's a waste of time. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Please carry on.
And our service shows only approved products for your store. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, let me show you how to search for products with Ziploc.
Okay.
I'm gonna open the website of Ziploc in just a second. So do you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, so look, let's go to the homepage. So this first step is to sign up,
Okay.
and you can get a trial period. So you get the trial first 300 scans to scan 300 listings.
Okay.
So you need to sign up, and later you're gonna get your account, and the next step is to log in.
Understood.
So you
Okay.
put here your email, password, and press the login button.
Okay.
So now we go through the personal account, and we see the interface of the Ziploc. And first step is to find the category you are interested in. So we open the Amazon itself, and let's take, for example, a home and kitchen category.
Okay.
So here we can put any keyword that we are looking for. So let's take, for example, the utensils. So we take this link from Amazon
Okay.
and paste it right here,
Okay.
and press the scan button. So
Okay.
right now it's in processing, and while we are doing this, we also can search the exact out of stock products. So we press the out of stock bar, here we cannot paste the URL link. We need to choose the category, the same one as on Amazon. So for example, we can choose office products, and here we as soon as we cannot paste the URL, we need to paste the keyword or the brand name. So we can take the brand name, for example, Sharpie.
Okay.
So we put it on the scan. And so you see that at the 20 row, you see the Sharpie, it's in process.
Okay.
It's in queue because we have other processes generating here.
Okay.
So as soon as we get the results, we click on the view button.
Okay, fine.
So at the view button, you see that there are results generated for you for this brand name Sharpie.
Okay.
You see there are a lot of columns with very important information for any Amazon seller. So it's an ASIN for a product, the title. At the title, we can click any product and we go to straightly to the Amazon page of this product, to the listing. And we see other important information as BSR.
So I have a question here. There are
Sure.
many other tools that provide us the out of stock. So what's the difference in that? And is it like live scanning, or you are using some APIs and the stored data that you are getting in?
Dastan, can I demonstrate my screen?
Please.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, you can. You can.
Okay, we know that a lot of sellers use Keepa to find out of stock products or any products, and when we use these criteria to find out of stock products, for example, sales run, new, we choose out of stock products. After that, we choose category and we start finding products. But we can see that these products, for example, this one, we open this product, but we see that this product can you cannot sell this product because this product not approved in your seller account.
Okay.
Yes, and this is first bad side of Keepa. After that, we see that second item, Keepa shows that this item is currently unavailable. But when we open this product, we see that there is a seller, yeah, and we see that Keepa doesn't show open or closed brands for your store. And second one, Keepa has inaccurate information, inaccurate data about products. And Ziplook has live scraping and show data only accurate data and live data. After that, you can put on button check approve, and you can find products which open for your store. For example, Cuisinart brand.
Your voice is cutting. Can Dastan please explain?
For my
Ulan,
account.
Ulan, your internet connection is lagging.
So Dastan, can you please elaborate?
using this feature, I can find please these features.
Yeah, Dastan, please continue.
Okay, here we see all this data, and after that we can use button check approve.
Okay.
And yeah, that's thanks. You can put check approve. Maybe Dastan doesn't know that he's on mute.
Okay, yes, I can. So tell me
Yeah.
about the subscription, that what is the benefit of our community, that if they are they want to start, or if they are interested, so what are the prices, and so can you tell me about some subscriptions?
Yeah, sure. But first, let me show you that feature that Ulan was talking about.
Okay.
So it takes just a few minutes. So let's choose one of our examples. Let's take the NutriChef brand. So we click on the view and we see there are locks. So this brand is closed for our store and we cannot sell its items. But so to check this whether it's approved or not, we need to click on the check approve button. And
Okay.
lately we need to refresh it a few times. So we see all the results there. But we can find some opened listings for us for its from its brand. So all we need is to press the approve column and we see the green locks.
So this Ziploc account will be connected with our Amazon account, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Is the first step in order to check the proof. You need to connect your store.
Fine.
And we can use any fast filters. So let's take the only approved products.
Okay.
And we see the green locks, and we can export it to Excel as well. And at the Excel, we're gonna see only the approved status products.
Okay.
It's very convenient and saves really much amount of time.
Okay.
And for the subscriptions, so we can find out that there are three types of plans.
Okay.
And actually for any seller, it's so the standard plan for us is $29.
Okay.
So it's gonna give you the full access to all the functions of the Ziploc as well.
Okay.
And especially for your just a second.
Yeah, Dastan wants to show presentation, and Dastan can share with promo code for Usman subscribers and auditory, so special prices. Yes, and we
so this special offer is for your subscribers only. So all they need is to send us a message, Usman Podcast, to our Facebook or WhatsApp numbers.
Okay.
So the only thing is that there are only 25 seats available right now. So the first 25 people who's gonna send us a message are gonna get that 70% discount on first month subscription.
Okay.
And Dastan can show differences between other services. Dastan, can you show difference between Keepa and?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, please.
Yeah, you see that Keepa has problem with accurate results. No, you cannot check your listing restrictions. It's a big time wasting on checking each item separately. only works when you every time you need to put criteria for your search. You don't have old results, old sessions, yes, and Keepa is created for programmers, but not for sellers. That's why Keepa has inconvenient interface. Ziplook, in Ziplook we tried to solve these problems. Yes, we guarantee that all results for all data, not only auto stock, will be accurate and true. You can check listing restrictions and open brands for your Amazon store. You can
So here
you can
is a
save.
question. So I have a question
Yeah.
about the restrictions and the brands. So can you tell me that how this feature is working, right? Like you have some database of the brands that we should not sell. They can be the private label, or you have some other like maybe on Amazon. Sometimes the brand is allowed to list, like or sometime Amazon asks to apply to sell this brand. So how this feature is gonna work?
Yeah,
Okay,
actually,
thank
right
you
now,
very much.
yeah. Ulan,
Yeah,
would
yeah,
you like to answer?
yeah.
Uh,
Now, you can find open brands for your store because a lot of brands is closed for your store. And every day, Amazon sometimes close some brands for all sellers because Amazon will sometimes sell a lot of products only like as a seller, yes, without other sellers.
okay.
And that's why you need to check all products using request approval in your account, yes, and it's a waste of time. But
Okay.
in future, in 1 or 2 months, Ziplook can open brands for your Amazon store, yes, because some brands you can open without invoices and other
Yes.
special documents, and Ziplook will open these brands without your uh, time, without your
Okay. So
research.
I have one more question, that in which marketplaces this tool is gonna work, that it is only for the USA and other markets as well.
Now we requested from sellers who sell their products on USA, but when other sellers requests other marketplaces, we also can add these marketplaces. It is no problem for us.
Okay, because Brakley is the only community in the whole world that is focused on the all marketplaces rather than USA, and I hope that after the podcast, many are going to request for the USA, for the UK, for the Germany, or some other markets as well. So it will be great that if we can get it in the multiple marketplaces. So have anything left from this software presentation, or something related to this, or we should compile, or we should this podcast?
So,
Maybe Dastan,
Any
yeah.
ending note from your side, please, one by one.
so I just need to remind your subscribers that the only standard plan
Okay.
is $29 a month. So you can get full access to scanning all the listings, finding out of stock products, checking for approval of the brands.
Okay. Okay, fine.
And also you can use the group subscription.
Okay.
So there are up to 5 to 10 people can use one account of the Ziplook.
Okay, so 5 to 10 people are going to connect their accounts, Amazon accounts separately, or only one account will be linked?
Now you one seller can connect in one account, yes, but in 1 month we give access to add more accounts. And I want to share one life hack with your subscribers who watches us before this time. And when you sell using this strategy, uh, I recommend you to use tracking numbers from Amazon. Yes,
Okay.
it is cheaper than when you buy uh, labels from USPS or UPS or FedEx. But when you buy shipping labels from Amazon,
Mm-hmm.
you it's cheaper $2 or $3, and it is life hack for your subscribers who watches before this timeline.
Okay, okay, thank you. Thank you. So, I'm compiling this podcast now. That this is for the newbies. This is for the persons who are already doing drop shipping in the USA. That the new step, that the two-step drop shipping have some issues with the shipping cost, with the prep center cost. So this is a tool from where you can find the live items that are out of stock at the moment that you are hunting the item. So in that case, your profits can be higher. So this software can be used to increase the profits to find some out of stock items, and it will be linked with your Amazon account. So in that case, your Amazon account will be linked, and you will be seeing that these items are allowed on your item or on your account or not. So you can start selling. I recommend everyone to look at this tool, and because I have already analyzed it, I think this is the valuable tool, so that I have shared it with you guys. So they offer the 70% as well. So if anyone is interested, they can sign up. So if the people are thinking that this is the useful, so I will request Ulan and Dastan again to give some discount for the next month as well. But this is the first time, so I believe that if you can evaluate. Okay, Ulan, Dastan, thank you so much, and
Thank you, Usman.
I will let you know about the feedback of my community. If they need any questions, then I will create a separate group with you. So if they need any questions, so that I will ask my team to ask you and convey to my team. Okay.
Okay, okay, Usman.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much for having us. It was great. Thank you.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you.
yeah,
Thank you.
pleasure.
Bye. Bye.